As I've promised you, in this video we are doing exercises only. So I hope you've already checked the PDF and have done the exercises yourself. Have you? If not, pause the video and do it. If yes, let's keep going. Past continuous, summary, you know how the forms are formed already. The verb to be in the past in its correct form, plus the verb plus ing. Great. Let's see it in practice. The first exercise. I was running when you saw me. I was running, an action was in progress when something else happened. Remember, it's very important in these exercises to think. I mean, it's really easy you just to sit down and open the bracket in past continuous, right? These are the instructions, in fact. But it's quite more valuable and important for you to think why in each of these situations past continuous is needed. Why is there a verb in another tense? And why we didn't use past simple, for example, here. So let's keep on and I'll continue explaining. The second sentence. They were waiting for the bus when the accident happened. They were waiting, an action was in progress when something else happened, when the accident happened. Tom and Anne were dancing at 8 p.m. It means at 8 p.m. they were in the middle of the action. The action was in progress. It had started before and it would continue after, but at 8 p.m. they were dancing. The action was in progress. Number 4. Anne wasn't eating a sandwich when Ben came. Wasn't eating, an action was not in progress when something else happened. Number 5. Question. What were Pete and Jessica doing when Mark phoned? Which action was in progress when something else happened? Were doing when Mark phoned. Number 6. Was Sally taking a photo when I phoned? Again question, again the same structure. A sentence in progress, past simple after that. Was Sally taking a photo? Was that action in progress when something else happened? Anne and Jane weren't talking, the action was not in progress when something else happened. When Tom fell in the river. Fell, 3 forms. You're studying the irregular verbs, right? So fall, fell, fallen. You will need the 3 forms quite soon. Please keep on studying. Second exercise. Sentences in past continuous. It was raining at noon. The action was in progress at that part of the day. What were they doing? Why was she running? Be careful with the spelling here. You have probably noticed that the spelling rules are the same as the spelling rules which we spoke about in the present continuous section. Running, double N. Why? Short verb finishes in consonant, vowel, consonant. He wasn't reading. Number 4. Number 5. What were we doing at that time? Question. 6. He wasn't watching a film at 4 p.m. He wasn't watching. 7. I was doing my homework at 6 o'clock. You see, in this exercise, for example, the accent is not on the context. So you can't understand for each and every sentence why exactly we need past continuous. The idea of this exercise is to practice the forms. 8. Where was it raining? Where was it? Question with question word. Where was it raining? He was shopping when I called him. He was shopping. Shop, be careful with the spelling. She was having dinner when we arrived. Now is the time to pay attention to something different. Do you remember it was several lectures ago when we spoke about stative verbs? Well, the same rules are here. These stative verbs do not have continuous forms. In general, it doesn't matter if we speak about present continuous, past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, or whatever. The group of stative verbs do not have continuous forms. But you remember, have does not have a continuous form when it expresses possession. In our case, have dinner, it's not possession, it's just a phrase. So because of that, in this sentence, it's not a problem to say she was having dinner, an action was in progress, when we arrived, when something else happened. Ready for the next set of exercises? Past simple and past continuous. See you in the next video.